in 3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in grams? So we'll start out here on our starting plane. Shift S to begin a new sketch. Shift R to jump into that corner rectangle with rounded corners. We're going to use the center point option. 55, enter. 30, enter. 8, enter. Shift S to exit sketch, X to extrude. We're gonna bring that up to 7 millimeters. We're gonna jump into our thickness command, pick that face, and then double click here, 1.6 millimeters. Now we're gonna jump over here to our material for this body. We're gonna go all the way down to the bottom of the list, say that's ABS and close. And with that body selected, we're gonna jump into our center of mass, 0.0041 or 4.1 grams. Sub 40 seconds. We cut it by almost 12 seconds, guys. I think that is as fast as it's going to go here for today's FreeCAD tutorial. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this video. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to leave me some comments down below.